there. Today we're making homemade gummies. And I think you're going to be surprised at just how simple the process is. Now, you're going to need some juice. And you can make the juice yourself or you can buy juice. Now, this is one I found. I'm going to be honest with you. I think it's delicious and I didn't have to add any honey, any sweetener, anything. And the ingredients are just organic everything, but pomegranate juice, cherry juice, red grape juice, purple carrots, cranberry, and blueberry all in here. So there's no added sweeteners or anything. That is all the ingredients. So if you are gonna buy the juice, just read the ingredients. So I'm gonna measure my juice. Now I'm just doing a half a cup and you will see why when we start making these, because this half a cup is gonna make a whole lot. So next you want a really nice gelatin. Per my half a cup of juice, I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of gelatin. This is the gelatin from Azure Standards. It's really nice. I like it. So I'm going to sprinkle over the top of this my 1 tablespoon of gelatin. Now I want to let this sit and absorb about 5 to 10 minutes. And after about 3 minutes, if it looks like it's still kind of dry on top, then you can stir it. Just don't stir it right away because it can clump on you. So while this one is setting, then we're going to move on because I'll show you another easy way that you can make it. One is I usually just take a couple of oranges. Now you can do this with really any kind of fresh fruit. You can use your grapes. You can use peaches. You could use your plums. Strawberries, I will say, frozen is better because it breaks down those cells and it won't be so thick. But if you have a fruit like a strawberry that's really thick on you, just add some filtered water and thin it out. So do you see how thick that got? Now I'm going to put this in my little saucepan here. Now you just want it warm and until it smooths out and it's nice and smooth. You don't want to boil this because that can break down your gelatin as well. And now I'm just going to blitz these. And then I'm going to strain that juice. So now that it's warm, if you have a juice that you want to sweeten up, now is your time to add that sweetener. So if I was going to add honey to here, I'd probably do about 1 tablespoon of honey. So my orange juice, I've actually made a cup of juice, and we're just going to stick with that ratio of 1 tablespoon per 1 cup. So I'll do 2 tablespoons. You can use any kind of mold. You don't have to get these kind of molds. Although one thing I like about them, they come with a little pipette. So you can easily fill. All right, so now this of the small ones, I've got 63 small ones and 6 of the bigger ones. So that's why I say a half a cup, it goes a long way. And you can see it's been a few minutes, but it's still kind of white right there. That hasn't incorporated itself in. Then it's okay to stir it in a little bit. So you see how nice and thick it is. So we're going to go again, just warm, just till it smooths out and becomes liquid again. Now after these set up in the refrigerator and you take them out of their molds, they then have to live in the refrigerator because these are all natural. They do not have ingredients in them that's going to make them shelf stable, because part of those are the ingredients we're trying to stay away from, right? So, and that after they've set up, you just pop them right out and look at that. Look at those little gummy bears. How adorable. This is one of those things you can have in the refrigerator. Just grab a handful of to munch on and have absolutely no guilt. This, it's just juice. I'll see y'all later. Bye.